Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be discussing chapter 2 of the self-love series. Without further ado, let's get on to the topic for discussion for today. This tip that I have for you guys is something that I do so often that it's kind of crazy, and that is organizing your environment. Now, the actual tip, how I say it, is decluttering your closet or your environment, but it also can mean organizing and putting away everything in your environment. Now, I will give you a good example of why this is so super important. I'm a hoarder. I keep things that I know I shouldn't keep because I think at some point in life it's going to help me, but majority of the time it just fills up space in my wardrobe or my room or my vanity, whatever it is. And a great example I can give you is I have this t-shirt, okay, and I wore it on a day that was incredibly hot. It was one of the worst days of my life, but I kept the t-shirt as a kind of like a memory that, oh yeah, I went through this, I can't get rid of it. But that's emotional baggage, isn't it? That's not nice, that's not healthy. And every time I would look at that shirt, I would just feel so upset. But the thing is, I just wouldn't throw it away. I was like, I just don't want to throw it away, I cannot do it. And I wouldn't wear it either. So it's just sitting there, taking up space, probably collecting dust, and it's making me upset every time I look at it. And that's when I realized I should get rid of this, because this is not gonna work, is it? So that's what I did. I then went through different parts of my room, so my vanity, my wardrobe, and my book collection, which is not a lot, it's just very little books, I don't read a lot. And I started taking things out that I haven't used it in more than 2 years. I would just take it out and I would throw it away, or I would donate it, or I would recycle it. Now, I'm telling you, I am also the kind of person that would buy like a couple of sizes down outfits because I used to convince myself that, oh, I'm gonna fit into it, I'll work out, but that does not help, that does not motivate you. I'm telling you, trust me, take it from me, I work out quite often from 2 years now, and having those clothes was not the motivating factor. It was not at all. In fact, it was the thing that made me feel even more worse about my body. Which, by the way, a sidetrack, I really want to have I really do want to talk about body confidence on this channel. So if you guys would like that, probably leave it in the comments. I don't think anyone will comment, but I'm still gonna do it because someone out there might watch it and might take a point from it. Anyway, not the point. Back to the tip. So I would take out lipsticks, makeup products, even the littlest of things of hair ties. I would throw away hair ties that I know I haven't used in years. I would just out. Bye-bye. We don't need that space. Now, what this is a cathartic feeling. It is just to give you that sense of clarity. Organization is one of the biggest skills that we really need to cultivate as a generation almost, because our thoughts are so scrambled anyway, and if you have a scrambled environment, it's just going to promote that kind of thought behavior, right? Thought process, I'm sorry. So every month or so, or every couple of months, I tend to do this organization ritual. It usually is on a weekend where I play music, getting stuff out and putting them in recycling bins or donating them or whatever it is. So I do have a blog post about this entire thing that I will leave in the link down below, and it even has research that actually proves what happens to you when you have a clean, organized environment. It's psychology, you guys. It's psychology. That's all it is. So yes, that is my tip for this chapter. I will repeat it once more. Declutter your environment. That could be your closet, your vanity, your room, your house, your apartment, your villa, your farm, whatever it is, declutter it. I hope you guys enjoyed this chapter, and I really hope you guys can like, subscribe, share this video to anyone that you know that would really need this. That's honestly the goal with my entire YouTube channels. I just genuinely want to help someone with their self-love, and if it can even help one person, and I'm good to go. I've done my job. But yeah, I hope you all have a great day. Stay safe and love yourself regardless. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.